Have you ever pondered the journey to financial independence? What does it take to break free from the chains of financial stress and step into a life of abundance and security? Today, we're delving into the steps to achieving this much-desired state of financial freedom. The first step is a mental one. It's time to shift your mindset from that of a consumer to an investor of assets. Instead of spending your hard-earned money on things that depreciate, consider investing in assets that appreciate or generate income over time. This transition of mindset is fundamental to achieving financial independence. Next, it's time to take inventory of your financial situation. Understand what's coming in and what's going out. This means tracking your income and expenses and creating a budget that aligns with your financial goals. It's essential to know where your money is going to make the most of it. The third step is eradicating credit card debt. These debts are like leeches that suck away your financial health. Focus on paying off your credit card debts as quickly as possible to reduce the amount of interest you're paying and increase your financial independence. Now, it's time to pay yourself first. This means setting aside a portion of your income for savings and investments before paying off other expenses. It's a way of ensuring that you're prioritizing your financial future over your current wants. The fifth step is creating an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, and having an emergency fund provides a financial safety net for unexpected expenses. It's a buffer between you and life's financial surprises. Understanding your credit score is also crucial. Aim for a minimum score of 690. A good credit score can help you secure loans with lower interest rates and save money in the long run. Next, invest in your company's sponsored 401k or Roth. These retirement accounts can provide you with tax advantages and often come with employer match contributions, which is essentially free money towards your retirement. The eighth step is educating yourself on money matters. Read books, watch videos, and listen to podcasts about finance. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to managing your money. Start investing in the stock market, particularly in dividend-paying companies. These investments can provide you with a steady stream of income and contribute to your financial independence. Finally, remember that money is a tool, and you are paying for it with your time. Aim to get paid while you sleep, and avoid becoming a slave to keeping up with the Joneses. To recap, the journey to financial independence involves changing your mindset, taking inventory of your finances, getting rid of credit card debt, paying yourself first, creating an emergency fund, understanding your credit score, investing in a retirement account, educating yourself about finance, investing in the stock market, and recognizing that money is a tool. Remember, the journey to financial independence is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires patience, discipline, and a commitment to making smart financial decisions. But with these steps, you're well on your way to a future of financial freedom. Before we wrap up this video, ensure you're not missing out on any future financial tips and tricks. Please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more advice on achieving your financial freedom.